YouTube subscribers. I am out on the road. I came here to get a little box food, get some chicken and pasta. I'm like so sick of rice. Listen to some music. We're playing music on the road. And I just plan to sit here for a few more minutes. Just enjoy the view and the music, you know what I mean? I love the whole ambiance of Jamaica. I just love it here. Don't want to be anywhere else in the world but here. I love it. Behind this wall is the kitchen. So you can hear them when they're doing their thing. Keep a bottle of water, especially when I walk down on the road because it's not a close walk. So water is a good thing to have. But I'm just checking on everybody. I pray everybody's alright. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. I'm not going to complain. God is good. Give thanks for life. So remember, subscribe. Hit that bell, that notification button. Comment. Please comment. I love to read the comments. Please. I'll respond to everyone. Okay? Next door over there, there's a bar. Yeah, it's connected. So, yeah. There's a DJ across the road. That's who's playing the music at their bar over there. So yeah. So I heard the music, so I said I'm gonna sit here and eat. Listen to the music a little bit, make me a YouTube video for once and for all. Alright, everybody be good. It's made in Jamaica. Drop the phone, there we go. See? You can't just do a video and cut. You just can't. There's always something. This time there's no B. Love y'all.